Alright, today we are still working on wireless network. Let's see the scenario. Our scenario, you're working on a small office home network. The homeowner recently changed their internet service provider ISP, and they have an existing Ethernet router connected to an RJ45 jack on the wall plate. They have a new laptop and would like to connect this laptop to the internet with a wireless connection. You need to create wireless and network, and we have the specifications for our wireless network here. And I think for our specifications here, transmission speed 600, 2.4 gigahertz. It has to be a BGN. Network. Alright, so let's go to hardware. Alright, so hardware is open. So let's check our wireless access point. So remember, our wireless access point has to be something related to BGN because our specifications here require all of that, and the only one that has a BGN is this one, so that is what we're going to be using. So let us place in so we turn to the back of this. Nope, not this. To the back of this. Alright, so let's go to our cable. We are using Ethernet cable Cat 6 for this. We connect to one port here, and the other port we connected here. Let's go to the back, and there's an empty space for us. Alright, so connecting it wouldn't make it work immediately, so you have to power it on. What is our power? We have our adapter here, and we connect this here, and this other end we plug it here. Alright, we're good to go. So let's go to the front of this. Yeah, you can see the light is blinking and it's powered on. Alright, so what else do we do? Let's go into this PC. Alright, so we are inside the PC, and we go to our bottom right corner, click on the internet logo, right click on it actually, then click on network and internet settings, and let's go to Wi-Fi. Show available network. We are connected to TransNet BGS. Yep. And TransNet BGS. So let's go ahead and connect to this automatically. Alright, so it's connected. It's connected. Is there any other thing we need to do? Nope, we are connected. Let's check our answers. Right, everything seems correct here. If this video was helpful, consider sharing so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.